Data Science course online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting for all you aspiring data enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the world of data science. If you've ever wondered what data science is all about or how you can start your journey in this field, you're in the right place. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the fascinating world of data science. Introduction to data science. Let's kick things off by understanding what data science is and why it's such a hot topic in today's world. Data science is the art of extracting meaningful insights from data. In a data-driven world like ours, this skill is in high demand across industries. From predicting customer behavior for businesses to healthcare research and beyond, data science plays a crucial role. Imagine having the power to analyze vast datasets and make informed decisions that can change the course of a business or even save lives. That's what data science offers. The Data Science Toolkit. Know that you know what data science is. Let's talk about the essential tools you'll need to embark on this journey. At the heart of data science are programming languages like Python and R. These languages are the building blocks of data manipulation and analysis. Python, in particular, is incredibly popular due to its simplicity and a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks tailored for data science. Data collection and preparation. Prior to delving into data analysis, the initial step involves gathering and refining the dataset. This is a crucial step in the data science process. Data can be messy and incomplete, so data scientists use various techniques to clean and prepare it for analysis. This ensures that the insights you extract are accurate and reliable. Data analysis and visualization. Once you have your clean data, it's time to dive into analysis and visualization. Data visualization tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn help you create graphs and charts that make complex data more understandable. These visuals can reveal patterns and trends that might not be apparent in raw data. Machine learning and predictive analytics. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of data science: machine learning and predictive analytics. Machine learning allows you to build models that can make predictions based on historical data. Whether it's predicting customer preferences, diagnosing diseases, or recommending movies, machine learning has applications everywhere. Starting your data science journey. So, how can you start your data science journey? While it may appear daunting, rest assured, there is an abundance of accessible resources at your disposal. You can take online courses, join data science communities, or even pursue a formal degree in data science or related fields. And there you have it, folks, a brief glimpse into the world of data science. It's a field that's constantly evolving, offering endless opportunities for those willing to learn and explore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any updates. As ever, don't hesitate to share your inquiries and thoughts in the comments section. We're here to help you on your data science journey. Until next time, happy data crunching, and remember, the world runs on data.